You are going to love the 2011 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.